Khan Academy Kids.
Oh, hi there. This is the letter C. This is the lowercase c. The letter C makes the k sound, like in the word cat. The letter C. See you later.
Drag the letter C to the rabbit. Woohoo! 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 Good work! You dragged the letter C to the rabbit. Drag the letter M to the rabbit. Oops! That's not the letter M. Drag the letter M to the rabbit. Woohoo! Woohoo! Good work! You dragged the letter M to the rabbit. Put the frog with the letter C on the mushroom. Good job! Give the hen the hay with the letter T. Good thinking! Give the hen the hay with the letter C. Good work! Put the apple with the letter M on the tree. Great! Trace the lowercase letter C. Great! You traced the letter C.
Hi there. This is the uppercase letter C. The letter C makes the k sound, like in the word cat.
Give the letter C to Olo. Awesome! You gave the letter C to Olo. Give the letter M to Olo. Awesome! You gave the letter M to Olo. Put the apple with the letter C on the tree. Great job! Give the ball with the letter T to the seal. Awesome! Help the bee with the letter C. Fly to the hive. Oops! Help the bee with the letter C. Fly to the hive. Cool beans! Put the hat with the letter M on the penguin. Put the hat with the letter M on the penguin. Keep it up. trace the uppercase letter C. Great! You traced the letter C.